Question 10. A cylindrical bucket has a diameter of 40 centimeters. It is filled with water up to a height of 42 centimeters. What is the surface area of the bucket that is in contact with the water? Use the calculator value of pi. The water touches the flat circular base at the bottom and the curved wall all the way around, up to the water height. The top is open, so we do not count it. First, the diameter is 40, so the radius is 20. So the area is pi r squared for the base, plus 2 pi rh for the curved wall. Putting in the numbers, pi times 20 squared is 1,256.64. 2 pi times 20 times 42 is 5,277.87. Adding those gives 6,534.51 square centimeters. The answer is letter C.